is a very sad day for America.
The message from Donald Trump after pleading not guilty in a Washington, D.C. courtroom to charges stemming from alleged attempts to overturn his 2020 election loss, which prosecutors say fueled the January 6th insurrection.
This is the persecution of the person that's leading by very, very substantial numbers in the Republican primary and leading Biden by a lot. So if you can't beat him, you persecute him or you prosecute him.
The former president's legal woes coincide with a packed campaign schedule. While he's not required to be present, the next hearing in this case is set for August 28th, 5 days after the first Republican presidential debate. Former U.S. federal judge Nancy Gertner says the complicated nature of the charges means the trial could take up to a year and a half.
The judge is going to have to resist the pressure to either hasten it improperly or let it stretch out the way the ex-president's people want it to.
It's Trump's third indictment, and he may face a fourth in Georgia over attempts to overturn that state's 2020 election results. The 77-year-old took to Truth Social to complain about the time and cost spent on these legal battles, which could have gone into campaigning, calling on the Supreme Court to intercede in election interference. But former U.S. National Security Advisor John Bolton argues the trial is vital for awareness ahead of an election.
And I think the public good here, the national interest at stake, is that voters are fully informed about the people running for president.
While polls show Trump remains the commanding national frontrunner for the 2024 GOP presidential nomination, the latest New York Times Siena College poll of 432 likely Iowa Republican caucus goers found Trump's lead in that battleground state was not as wide, with 44% of the vote. Michelle Mackey, City News.